Welcome to Exploring History. Today we are going to immerse ourselves in one of the most turbulent and fascinating chapters in history, the French Revolution. Prepare for a journey full of intrigue, betrayal, and the roar of a people in search of freedom. The French Revolution, a period of radical social and political upheaval, began in 1789 and forever changed the course of history. This era marked the end of centuries-old monarchies. The Ancien Régime, characterized by the rigid social hierarchy and absolute monarchy, governed France. Nobles and clergy enjoyed privileges, while commoners bore the brunt of taxes and labor, creating deep societal divisions. France's financial crisis, exacerbated by costly wars and extravagant royal spending, plunged the nation into economic despair. The heavy taxation on the impoverished Third Estate fueled widespread discontent and unrest. The Enlightenment introduced revolutionary ideas about individual rights, democracy, and justice. Philosophers like Rousseau and Voltaire inspired a generation to challenge traditional authority and envision a society based on equality and reason. The American Revolution provided both inspiration and financial strain for France. The success of American independence fueled revolutionary fervor, while the debt incurred from supporting it exacerbated France's economic woes. The Estates General was convened in 1789 after a long hiatus, marking a significant moment in France's political landscape. This assembly brought together representatives from all three estates, seeking solutions. As tensions mounted, delegates from the Third Estate broke away, forming the National Assembly. They aimed to represent the common people and push for sweeping reforms, igniting revolutionary fervor across the nation. In a defiant act, members of the National Assembly took the tennis court oath, vowing to draft a new constitution for France. This pledge symbolized their commitment to revolutionary change and unity. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. The storming of the Bastille on July 14, 1789, became a powerful symbol of revolt. Parisians attacked this fortress prison, seeking arms and justice, marking a decisive turning point in the revolution. The Great Fear swept through the French countryside as peasants rose against their feudal lords. This wave of panic and rebellion further destabilized the existing social order, fueling the revolutionary spirit. The August Decrees marked the historic abolition of feudal privileges, signaling the end of centuries-old aristocratic dominance. This radical change aimed to create a more equal society, dismantling the oppressive structures of the Ancien Régime. The Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen laid the foundation for modern human rights, emphasizing liberty, equality, and fraternity. It became a cornerstone document, inspiring future democratic movements worldwide with its visionary ideals. Women played a crucial role in the revolution, epitomized by the March on Versailles. Their determination and courage highlighted the widespread demand for bread, justice, and political reform, ultimately compelling the monarchy to act. The flight to Varennes exposed King Louis XVI's waning power and credibility. His attempted escape shattered the fragile trust between the monarchy and the people, accelerating the push towards a republic and heightened revolutionary fervor. The Jacobins emerged as a powerful, radical political faction, advocating for profound societal changes. Their rise to prominence signaled a shift towards more extreme measures, ultimately reshaping the revolution's trajectory and intensifying internal conflicts. The execution of Louis XVI marked a pivotal moment in French history, symbolizing the definitive end of monarchy. His trial and subsequent death intensified the revolutionary fervor and deepened the societal divide. During the Reign of Terror, Robespierre and the Committee of Public Safety wielded immense power, instigating widespread fear. Thousands were executed, and the guillotine became the grim symbol of revolutionary justice. The guillotine, an emblem of revolutionary zeal, was used to instill fear and maintain control. Its efficiency in execution made it a dreaded tool, reinforcing the government's absolute authority. Robespierre's fall signaled the end of the Reign of Terror. His arrest and execution demonstrated the revolution's volatile nature and underscored the dangers of concentrated power within the revolutionary leadership. The French Revolution's legacy is profound, influencing subsequent revolutions and reshaping political thought. Its impact is seen in the emphasis on equality, citizenship, and the relentless pursuit of justice and human rights.